ahave so boye gbe o ululege bonoto ululege bonoto ululege bonoto. My people, how una dey? Also na dey fine. Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to your time. If you see this video, help me to share am. I just come across one video where be say Isioluk Odafewidom no mami ya una usema gbon. No feel omokwa. That one wey throw pikin, wey run little pikin. I just see say they advertise say next year he wan do it death day. Una know say that 50 years when they talk say he wan do. Now the day we put for his house, now they complete 50 years. So maybe because of say maybe people not come they laugh and say why you carry the day put for his house. So he can they claim the age say now in there for 50 years. Hey my people. If they invite una now say make una come, I know say most of una na go run go there. Make I tell una, now here we go there. When you go come the talk say una come they use body to define now. That's more picky one I just see so Now wetin they do now be that one. Now wetin is specialized put. Now they tell una so. Una see that woman where be say help am. That woman where be say I no wan make sure in name. Wetin he do to that woman with the meat where that woman put am. Hell, anya me ga solo go her. All the anya me come they cried for inside bush. He destroyed that woman. Sote. The meat where be say the woman Naija egbe. He say all of the way they there. Or way ashi enya yahin. He said tinya wa we here. Not be lie oh. I go to find all those videos. I come they play for now. Next year we want enter. Now he say want do oh. Make una run for na dear life oh. Iya we ta lene ni gboma. Emi no gboma ta lene. As that woman do rich. Not the way this Odafewidom not use that woman I take see. Not the way not tell that woman. And that woman na person wey be say no they do social media. Na inside house na the woman dey. If you go there, you go come see tell us. Say you can't dey use body to define now. Or una do afie kebeji ya o. Or una do awen not be lie o. Now wetin they use the matter they talk o. Not be lie. Now they tell una so. So you wait say you they go there. You don't know say your marriage it don't scatter. You wait say not they go. God go bless you, my sister. Sit down for your house, so not be everything. Where person they call person say come do marry and now they run go. And not be all food. Now person they eat oh. You see that small boy a boat down or go. No go there if you go collect your destiny. Worry and again because as me and you they talk so. Now 99 na come abroad. 99 ni enye waye o makba ba nire. O makba e ba waje. The money where he saying get now say he want to do it that day. May use and go give it 2 children where don't live. 2 children where don't live. You don't know where then they till today till next tomorrow. You don't know where those 2 children they. Ofilinya kwa unwo bi okania na togbe ba gbo. O togbe wo wie, o togbe ba van, o togbe ba vie yore. O gbe no ma gba ogomo. Where not give pikin water drink. Now na wan go follow go they say you want go they follow drink water. Now you say you want go follow say you want go celebrate. Una don't say don't celebrate those children one day. Ask yourself sister. Una don't say this is even though say in with the mama they get issue. What about those children? Una don't ever see even though say not show those pictures, you not show those children. It right time for them say today na be children birthday. Una don't ever see He say mona come follow and carry your man they carry you miale. Oh wahana here. No. I say me I can't tell una because most people are not too know like that. Now so go they do gentle. He not gentle for anything. He not good. Emma boy, Emma way. And then you know get yawu. And then what we guy. And then you know get yawu. Una go just the say go just the dice. Na nice person. He not nice though. He go destroy your home. He go make sure say that's your home. He go turn her upside down. Waiting you not do. Waiting you not know one. You not know two. He go put her for your body. Who said he go and your husband go believe. Your husband go believe. Now God said me, oh, me, I know they call anybody. Not be said they be my enemy, oh, all those people where I know they call, oh. No, now because of their attitude, the way they say they behave, I not like them. Equal on your jaja, see ya, see me. Now Isioluk will be carry head come. On a we adore yamo wawa. One ni me koko, ni me dology, where I never enter social media. If you want to swell for my hands. Also, I'm going to go bojo. Wetin God tell save me. I know they call. Why? I don't just need them. Humanity because some of our people The way where they say they do, they go destroy your home. This one where they invite una so hell. If you go now, you know we sit there here. Person wey do good for now. Ona gbo woni gbegbe. O wi is gbegbe. O wo woni doju nu ya ta wi yen love ke okwere. Am I we no hurry party just because of saying why invite you for party. If you not see anywhere go, my sister, carry your children. Wanna go they play for play this playground. Not let her go destroy your home. Oh. If you just they see her, I want to learn. If you see her, they run. No. If you not run, you are on your own. Go destroy your home for you. You don't care because why? Your mama, I'm waiting your way no mama. He no good. Don't tell us another person I can't come good. Or not set him with your orphanage. Or no one beg. What do I beg you not worry? You go ne from one orphanage no win over ne. My people, hey, make una run for na dear life. Oh. If you not just see just they talk for them, say you are invited. Make wagejo. Eikuya na nati your man anajo do your man because you want eat food. Can't give me food. You go sit down. Say you want come eat, sister, brother. I know say some of our brother. What can you a nonsense? Only no you know yari yama with the social media. Now you want go sit down. Say you want go eat that day. I'll get the know how. Now you want go sit down, sister. Our brother then they walk. If you're a winner, from Monday to some people they from Monday to Sunday, you want winner, they don't get time. Now you go see so those one where they say now only that Saturday and Sunday night they take the rest. Here na dog balek, but they say one go sit down for Obewe, Arunpa, where one do it that day. Wanna tell and say the money may he give to his children where be say he never see. You know he abandoned those children for many years. Now only that woman where be say na still carry and come. Now only that woman na still carry those children, expenses, everything. Train those children before they can be adults. Isioluk no know where they. Meaning my way one I said they talk to us so. You don't know where those children they. Now let the one where the day born for her. Now let that one they carry go. Now let that one he say na be picking. And I don't ever see that kind of thing. Now that person. Now I want go sit down. You will be mother. They will do unto you. Talk truth. You will be say you be mother. They will do unto you. They see say man will be say not take care for children where you born for her. The money where not go give those children. Eh? Even though say those children say like, you understand. Not be saying go feed, they go feed forgive them, but they'll still they say, okay. You know they 50 € where they say may they bring. Small 50 € where small rich. Or marry again. I think 150 they say may they give those children. You know go. Isioluk never do. Mona sorry my people. Isioluk never do. Now I want go sit down, say no one go for now go eat. Eat waiting. Osaba gi mari wuri emi na gi mari okpandeke na gi mari emi no mu mari ogwa. My brothers and sisters, be careful. Not be all party where they for call you. Now you go carry your leg, you want go sit down. Especially the person where call you. The person where call you say come go marry eva. Abego ya Now where egbe or home some food day where you go, some party day where you go you they ask yourself say I die no and it's too late to cry. Oh no, I will not see sa. Except sa ni we. Odafewidom isa we ni we awa. Ihu ya no egbe kan obungbe, especially moa. We sit down my jejeje. I don't know you for any corner. Women na me for me not you we. Me na we do me na we me moto. We. I ha mo ina we e no gbu we ya mi ti ari enu. E be na barita. Ision awa gwa. Ision. Me na wa mi no wa gbu Odafewidom. Ije ni I wari enu e. Where okay man na gbe ogbowodo no ina we gwan ye ya ilogo we for ne we gwan ye ni iya sweran fuwa you go know the day where you come meet person where dey yo jejeje una vibe gbe una ri emi na eru wo na ri eju we na so you go still do now if you na say una say go there na here we dey we no gbok woni say a meeting no woni cover my own ona tie boni ya here me no wi ya je here me no wi ya je all of day A to Z not where this oyakpo no do Odafewidom. And they no much wo wa already mani. Can you imagine? Woman when not fit tell the husband say this thing way they do not good. All those people now woman like me. And they know they near out. Why me they don't know your bonnet. That woman don't come out, can't talk. Never. They consider. Now that kind of people now wanna go sit down, go eat with. Salobo la wo saba go marry me no gbeme. Saba go marry me no se me cotton. Saba go marry me no jame jowa. Now this one say me I can't give una. I go they give una update more. Now bye bye.